Kan ukur tilu jika nama kuruneangan deui ya dadang teh atuh. Hamidin aya naon juragan? Juragan keur neangan ti pamajikaneun jeung kumaneh bewarakeun. Oh aya juragan si Edah anak Mang Juned. Si Edah kembang desa teh ya. Kan eta mah masih sakola lieu. Lulus ayeuna pami telepat mah serahkeun we ka abdi juragan. Jika tuh tepungan
Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed. Don't feel like picking up my phone to leave a message at the tone. Today I swear I'm not doing anything. I'm gonna kick my feet up, then stare at the fan. Turn the TV on, throw my hand in my pants. Nobody's gonna tell me I can't. Nah, I'll be lounging on the couch, just chilling in my cubby. Click the MTV so they can teach me how to dubby. In my chest, so I'm a wicked man. Oh yes, I said it, I said it, I said it 'cause I can. Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed. Don't feel like picking up my phone to leave a message at the tone. 'Cause today I swear I'm not doing anything. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. Jantung berdebar-debar, rasanya tak menentu. Hati bergetar-getar menanti kamu di sini.
Aduh gawat boy. Si Edah teh meuli tambah lengket ka si Rangga. Kasebelahan pisan. Boy pancinta mati ka si Edah. Kalem bro. Kita cari jalan lain, oke? Cocok lah. Kepenting urang ka imahna. Itu Edah kebenaran liwat, bener-bener gelis budak teh. Edah, kumaha lamun kawin we jeung akang?
Alim juragan, Edah mah bade kuliah bahasa Inggris. Pan hoyong janten pemandu turis di Geopark